Now we're doing something fun. Yeah, now you can hear me, right? All right, all right, all right. Oh, yeah. So let's have a look if you can hear me. Now we awesome. So whilst I was looking at this sound issue, thank you for pointing it out. Yeah, I was looking. I mean, I'm looking at possible S&P 500 loans. Now, yesterday we had a huge sellout on the S&P 500, which is fine. But price is still rejecting this massive level. We can have now a double bottom. Who knows, right? I don't fucking know. But the thing is that I'm gonna go through my thought process, and then I'm going to just yeah start on the higher time frames and go down, etc., etc., etc. Right? Before we go any further, if you're not part of the VIP team, you can join us with the link below this video. This is the trade that we took today. Massive, massive 3.78 win on the Euro Swiss franc. You all missed it if you're not part of the VIP team. Check out this beautiful trade. 74 pip to targets by only risking 18 pips. This is the kind of trade you want to get in. We made mad money there. Not, I mean, early in my trading session, actually, I took this trade pretty obvious short, right, on the Euro Swiss franc with the Swiss franc right, really, really rallying at the moment. And yeah, I mean, if you're not part of the VIP team, you all missed it. Sorry about that. Really hope that you consider joining us with the link below this video. It's only 35 pounds per month. That trade would have paid for 3 months worth of our VIP subscription. Now let's do the S&P 500, the Nasdaq. I don't know. Hold on. Let me watch. Let me see my other screen where I do have some possible setups. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yeah, the Nasdaq is the one. All right, let's go to the Nasdaq. Nasdaq much better. It's much better. So, the Nasdaq also, just have a look at this beautiful, beautiful level that the Nasdaq is trading at. So I have three, well, I'm just going to tell you, I'm just going to start with the lower level, lower key level, this one right here, the one that the Nasdaq is rejecting at the moment. I know that, my camera is not the best at the moment, but well, what can we do? I'm using my laptop camera for the time being. So yeah, actually, I had this one, you know, this Nikon right here, but it fell out of the tripod and I broke it, so I have to buy a new one. Yes. So the Nasdaq, I was telling you, big, big, massive level on the daily. Let's look at the 4 hour chart on the Nasdaq. On the Nasdaq, actually, I'm going to delete all of the drawings here. All of the drawings here, and I'm going to delete it here now because I want that level on all of my charts. Right now, let's go back to the daily. um, um, and the Nasdaq just rejected the daily highs. That is not something. No, just printed new daily highs. I'm sorry, that's a good thing. So possible, let me see. I do have I mean very possibly we're going to look for that trade now, right? Um, very possibly. So yeah, I'm on my other screen. So this is the entry that I want. This is my stop loss. Looking at a possible 2R on the Nasdaq long. So, why don't we go ahead and I'll possibly take that trade and then I'll go through my thought process, right? Just inviting everybody again. I hate when there's few people on my shows, but what can you do, right? Mm-mm. On my show. Right, so, John, spelling. Right, let's have a look. Yes, that Nasdaq looks good. So, right. Yeah, just a second, guy. Be patient with the trading. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Boom. All right, so Nasdaq's. Let's wait and see what happens here with the Nasdaq. So this is my thought process on Nasdaq. This is the 5 minute chart, right? Now, this is let's go down to the 5 minute chart, right? This is a small day trade. Now, these are the daily highs. Now, this blue line is daily highs, the newly printed daily highs, right? Now, um, this is a day trade, so I'm going to share with you my thought process on this one. Very clearly, price is now rejecting the yesterday's lows, right? Which is also the previous highs on what seems to be a break of the structure, right? So this is the very, very low time frames. I know. What I do want, is to see some kind of a rejection here, right? And my trade would be the long right here after that rejection, targeting the 12, 15 or so, right? It would be a good target to target your, May 17th lows, but that would be a little bit too greedy. But perhaps the 1220, that would be good, right? At the moment, there's no trade, so I'm still waiting for that rejection of the previous lows, right, to get in on this possible long on the Nasdaq. Pretty nice at 2.4, 2.5 R if this plays out. Yeah, I'm not taking that trade yet. Not taking that trade just yet, right? I need that rejection, very clear rejection, and then I will pull the trigger. For the time being, I'm going to calculate. I'm going to calculate possible. Well, the S&P 500 is fine. Yeah, that's fine. For the time being, I'm going to calculate my possible position size on this Nasdaq long. I'm not Olympia, I'm Orlando. Um, well, Rohit, you need to email support with that information, right? Uh-huh. And they will sort you out. So, my possible position long. Well, Jimmy, if you pay for your VIP subscription and you're not on the Telegram group, it's because you haven't accessed um, your client's account on our site. Just go to our website and access your client account, and the link should be there, right? Now, possible longs will be at the 11,840, stop losses at the 11,755. So why don't we calculate that position for position size, right? This position size calculator is available for all VIPs. I don't remember. Let's call it 11,740. And stop loss, I said 11. I mean, it doesn't matter. Hold on. 11,850. All right. 50. Let's have a look how it looks like. Yeah, it should look something like this, right? So on this account uh, that tracks. Good morning, Kevin. That tracks our VIP trades, possible zero point 0.5 size, maybe a little bit lower. Should be fine. Yeah, that should be all right. So, I mean, let's wait and see what happens. I don't have a plan to go short on the Nasdaq or on the S&P 500 or other U.S. equities, but let's see what happens, right? Well, Jimmy, why don't you email support? I'm going to at learn to trade. Just email them; they will sort you out. Right, let's wait and see what happens here. I need that rejection. So looking for a zero point zero 0.05 lot on this small account that tracks our VIP trades, right? Now, if you haven't, shit. Actually, let me show you. Oh boy. Nope. That is my equity. That is my mentorship path. So I am going to show you. Let's have a look at what the fuck is. Hold on, Skype. See, some of you have been wondering how our signals do. So I am going to share this with you. Right. So here it is. This is looking like it won't. It might give us an even better entry if these levels get rejected. But look, it's looking very dire for longs. I might tell you. That's why you always look for confirmation before taking those longs. I am still flat on the Nasdaq. I haven't taken any longs yet. Waiting for that rejection. That this is giving me a much better risk to reward ratio actually. So let's wait and see what happens. What I would be looking for here, guys, would be something like this: a move up and then a retest back, and here I would enter. I'm sorry. That's what I will be looking for. Let's wait and see if it plays out. Mm, yeah, same thing. So you have any questions about anything at all? Go ahead and type it on the chat. More than happy to answer your question. Osh. Uh, uh, um, For the time being, why don't I show you something very, very cool? And you can all. I mean, this is available for everybody to see. This is our performance or the performance of all of our VIP signals since we started tracking them. So, full transparency here. We are up 4.74 since we started tracking. April was a break-even month, and we started tracking, I think, on April 11th, right? So that's okay. But this month we are up 5.35%, risking uh, only between zero point 0.8 and 1, right? So that's our VIP trades. And, yeah, we do make money. So, and it's only 35 pounds per month, right? So if you want to join us, the link is below this video. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. Right, so waiting for this to play out. If it will play out, I don't know. No one knows. So let's wait for a second. Um, in the meantime, go ahead, ask me anything you want to hear. Uh, Ask me anything that you want. Anything that you want, right? Is there a reason why currently there aren't as many profits at the Forex market? I really don't know what you're talking about. The Forex market is hot at the moment. It's super hot. So yeah, there's a lot of money to be made there. You just have to know what you're doing. That's the thing. Yeah. If you feel lost and you don't know what you're doing, well, joining a group of traders might help you out with that. You know. Um, and I mean, what are the chances of Euro USD going up? I don't know, but that we can find out at the moment. You know, that oh boy, look at that 5 minute candle. So we do have that rally that I was looking for. Now, oh, right, shit, I think I missed it. God damn it. What should we do? Let's go to the 3 minute chart. Hold on. Yeah. I mean, I probably will get in after this 3 minute candle closes. Uh, Probably. If the risk to reward is still good. I don't know. I think I missed it, guys. I missed the trade. God damn it. Thank you, Edward. Oh, god damn it. I missed it. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I missed it. Alright. This is way too high to get in. Well, let's wait and see if we get that retest back, right? Right now, I just missed it. I have your VIP signals, but trying out someone else's signals at the moment, but their signals are on 5 losing streak at the moment. Shit. Yeah, I mean, don't. I mean, it's okay to have a losing streak, mate, but you know, 5 day losing streak, that's a ton. Right, I missed the trade. God damn it. I'm going to wait and see if we get that I mean that pullback, But the thing is that I mean, look on the 3 minute chart, right? Although the 3 minute chart, I mean, there's no setup, right? Even though my rationale was correct, right? Or is correct at the moment. No one knows what's going to happen. There was no setup to go long on the 3 minute chart or the 5 minute chart, right? There was no candlestick pattern. There was no real setup to go long. So I couldn't take the trade, right? I don't take trades blindly. Hmm. This is a fucking shame. But I mean, sometimes you will miss the trade, sometimes you won't. You know, the intelligent thing is so to be safe and follow your rules, right? My rule is to wait for confirmation. Even though price is rallying at the moment, I didn't have confirmation for a long trade at my levels. Even though my rationale was good, right? I need to follow my rule. And we made a ton of money today using, trading this setup. So why would I trade why would I trade with outside of my rules just to possibly give back the money that I made? Fuck no. So yeah, let's wait and see what happens with this market. Let's have a look at some other markets too. Hold on, this is good. All right. Oh, U.S. oil. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I remember why. So gold. Yeah, I haven't traded gold in a while. I have not traded gold in a while, guys. But what can I say? Today was a good long opportunity. Oh boy. Yeah, I missed that one. But I mean, there was no setup either. Let's have a look at the possibly the S&P 500. Yeah, I mean, we could have some S&P 500 long. Let's have a look at the S&P 500. There was no signal for US 100, mate. I didn't take the trade, so chill out. I didn't take the trade. Or did you see me taking the trade here? I'm just sharing my rationale, man. Yeah, I did not take the trade. There was no signal whatsoever on the Nasdaq. Mm. Right, so let's wait for a second. Let's have a look at some other markets. I was looking at, Olympio is long the Japanese yen. That was a good trade, right? The Japanese yen is rallying and has been. So we'll go for a 15-minute chart here. Right, the Japanese yen, pretty bullish structure, even though this higher high is kind of a weak higher high, the bullish structure is very much in place here. Very nice trade by Olympia. The US dollar. Now, the US dollar has fucked me, right? Now, I mean, I haven't lost money trading the US dollar, but I was looking for longs. I mean, on Sunday, I sent you, I sent, I mean, I uploaded a video of the zones that I was looking for US. Okay. For US dollar longs, and that didn't play out. I am still very much bullish on the US dollar fundamentally, but right now I cannot look. I mean, I haven't found any long opportunities. You know, maybe at the retest of these lows, but who knows where this might go. Now, if we are looking at ratios, ratio-wise, yeah, these lows look like a possible target. Uh, 161.8 off the last leg, right? Should be good. I mean, but this is crashing, guys. And talking about that. Right, and talking about that, this is the thing on the Euro USD, right? The US dollar is rallying. I'm sorry, the Euro US dollar is crashing at the moment, right? That is bullish for the Euro US dollar. So he who had a question about that, here's the answer. I don't know. Where can this go? I don't fucking know. But the thing is this, right? This is a very thick area on the Euro USD. This one right here. This one right here, very thick area. So, the thing is that I wouldn't go long on the Euro US dollar, right? I'm not crazy. I am not an animal or a degenerate gambler, right? This is a very, very bearish market, man. Very bearish market. I am not into picking lows. Yeah, we are still on the cat yen. You are really one patient little dude, right? So if you, I mean, just follow the VIP group, man. If we don't sell an up, if we don't send an update, means that we're still in. Don't be patient, or do you trade that trade as you see fit? So I am not a crazy gambler or a degenerate gambler. Shit. I mean that US 100 would have been a great trade. I have to follow my rules. Ah, on to the next one, guys. On to the next one. Um, right. So I'm actually just looking for price to hit this previous lows. Right. This yellow line is March 2020 lows. So this is my sell zone. No worries, my friend. No worries. That's why we're here. This is my sell zone. So what I'm looking for is a rally towards this zone and some kind of a rejection for me to be able to get in. Short, I'm not looking to buy this market. Absolutely fucking. That's as much as I can tell you, right? And people ask me all the time, why? I mean, if you're expecting price to go all the way up here, why don't you go long? Because why would I? Why would I fucking go long on such a bearish market? There is a probability that price will hit my sell zone, but the highest probability trade is to the downside. I'm not going to go long. I mean, just look at this, right? From this lows, price did rally to the next key area, but just have a look at this fucking price action. Are you going to hold a trade for an entire month during this choppy mess? No, I rather instead just sell a very, very clean down move. Red key. Red key. Oh, there is a guy trying to convince me that for faster growth, 100 to 10K challenge, I should double my lot size per each trade. Do you recommend that, or would you stay completely away? Stay away from that motherfucker. Stay away from him. That is such a gambling move. That is called, I don't remember what the name is. Margin tail or some shit like that, right? I mean, on the long run it works, but you have to have unlimited supply of money, which you don't, mate. Stay away from him. Fuck that. People that tell you that you can flip a 100 account into 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, and become a millionaire, are fucking lying to you. That's not never going to happen. You're going to lose all your money. Don't do that. Learn how to trade. Learn how to trade or follow us. Follow us, and the way to grow an account. It's not by over risking. It's by trading cleanly, trading correctly, and depositing every single month or every time that you can. You deposit more money into your account, so the gains that you make plus the deposits are going to allow you to trade bigger within your risk parameters. That's how you grow an account. Stay away from that, dude. Unless you want to lose money. That's up to you. All right, so this US 100, shush. Where are you? It was on the Nasdaq, right? So the 50-minute chart. No, we were looking at the 5-minute chart. There you go. So there was no. Why did we lose the? I don't know. Where was? Do you risk 1 or 2%? Depends. When I day trade, I risk about 1 to 1.2%. On swing trades, I do risk between 2 and 2.5. Depends. It depends on what I'm trading. Depends on the setup, on the probability of success of the setup, etc. So, Zakaria, do you think New Zealand dollar versus the Canadian dollar would has a good first target at 83.50? I don't know. I don't know. I don't trade the market for. or just FYI, I don't trade on the market. And you know what? I mean, I'm not gonna manage your trade for you. Just fucking trade your trade. I'm not your personal technical analyst. I'm here to answer any questions about trading education, about our VIP signals, or whatever, but I won't manage your trades. All right, so we missed that one. Still happy about that trade though. Yes, I do tell you the risk I take on every trade, Red Key. I mean, you should try this out. It's only 35 pounds. If you don't like what we do, you can cancel at any time. And we do have a 30-day money back guarantee. So, I mean, there's no yeah, mate, there is absolutely no risk for you. But, I mean, if you're looking to flip your $100 account into a 10K account, I mean, just stay with that guy that's going to make you lose all your money. Because we don't do that. We're traders here. We're not gamblers. Right, so that was here it is, the Nasdaq. Nasdaq struggling with the daily highs, but this is looking very bullish. Yeah, shamey, shamey. But I didn't have any setups, and I wasn't going to trade the 1 minute chart. Yeah, I don't trade the 1 minute chart. This was a day trade on the 5 minute, which is fine. I mean, but this is what we do. We analyze the markets. We make money. Here it is again. This is our equity curve for a month, 1 month worth of trading. You know, if you are into making money, the link is below the video, guys. Also, I mean, you can go to our Trustpilot and just look at all of the good reviews that we get. Hola. People are just very happy with us. Now, any more questions, or I will pull the plug here because I don't see any more trading opportunities. The VIPs might get a Nasdaq long or a U or a S&P 500 long later today. Depends on what I see, but for the time being, what is the GA? I don't understand. Thank you so much for this training community. It really helps me. What? As I don't know any experienced trader I can talk to. Yeah, I mean, cheers, mate. That's right. That's why we are here. Um, yeah, I mean, thank you for the kind words. What can I say? Right, so if I don't have any questions in the next 2 or 3 minutes about anything, trading psychology, whatever, uh, I will pull the plug on this live show because I mean, there's no trades incoming. Uh, there is no trades incoming. All right, so in your opinion, will the Euro US dollar go down over 2 hours? Stop asking those stupid questions. What the fuck? I mean, who knows? Who knows? I don't have a fucking crystal ball, mate. I don't know. I don't know. What kind of a question is that? Jesus. No, we don't offer that service. We do not offer that service. Maybe in the future, but we're not a hedge fund yet. Yet. I mean, don't ask those questions. I don't know. When you get the update, you'll get the update. That is a trade by Olympio, and yeah, he will update you on that trade whenever he makes a move, right? I mean, yeah. So thank you for joining me, guys. Uh, for what's wrong with the cat yen? I don't know what's wrong with the cat yen. Let me see. I see. Bucket. What's wrong with the cat yen? Nothing's wrong with the cat yen, mate. I mean, it's in a little bit of a drawdown. That's fine. The cat yen is in a bit of lead. Try us out, Red Key. And remember, 100 pounds is just not good enough trading capital. So, Kevin, or you, Jakes, you are looking Vegas. Good speech, Freeman. Shit. In the house. So, if you, Jakes, if you are suffering because of a little drawdown on the CAD yen, you are trading way too big, man. Manage your risk, learn about risk management. And if that trade hits stop loss, learn how to manage your risk because it really doesn't matter. Kevin Nash, thank you for the kind words. Thank you. Yep, the VIP group is the best. I mean, we put a lot of work into everything that we send there. I don't know about Bitcoin. I haven't looked at Bitcoin, Godspeed, in a while, but it's not looking good. It is not looking good. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Why don't we fucking do that? Yes. Yes. I looked at Bitcoin in a while. All right, so all right, let's look at the higher time frames. Yeah. So this is very cool in Bitcoin. Now, this is the thing, guys. I'm gonna put on the 3-day chart or so, just to get rid of the noise, and so we can actually have a good understanding of what I'm looking at right here. Why don't you? I mean, Red Kit, try us out, man. There's no, I mean, it's 35 pounds a month, and there's 30-day money back guarantee. Right, so you can always make money. So 22K, where is the 22K mark? I'm just gonna put on a line here. And I'll use a 22K, right? 22, 1, 2, 3. Oh, here's a 22K. I don't know. 22K is not even a good level, mate. What is it? What is this level? This is No, 22K is not even a good level because it's in the middle of nowhere. So this is the thing. I don't think so, right? Now, just have a look at it, right? Fucking look at this. Let's have a look at the three big pullbacks in Bitcoin, right? So from this high till this lows, Bitcoin dropped what? 84%. From these highs until this lows, Bitcoin dropped 56%. Oh, there is another one here. From these highs, no, but you know what? And from these highs to these lows, Bitcoin has dropped 63%. So, I mean, it's not as clean as Ethereum. That's why I am focusing on Ethereum, not Bitcoin. But you know what? I mean, we are rejecting a very massive level here um, on the higher time frames, right? So I don't know if it's going to go up. I don't know if it's going to go down. But what I can tell you, mate, is that you should be looking at this level. I don't know. Hold on. Yes, this is much better. Oh yeah, this is much better. You should be looking at this level. Yes, mate, you will make money. Try. Go ahead, subscribe. You will make money. You will at least you will learn how to trade. That's the name of the company. Right, so the 28K level should be in your radar, right? This is the level that got rejected. Let's go back to the daily. I do dig this daily rejection, right? This daily rejection right here. This daily rejection, pretty cool. Forming kind of a pattern, right? To go long. But getting long here is ill-advised in the sense that Bitcoin really has this thick area to go through in order to break this bear market, right? So even if Bitcoin goes up towards the 36K, 40K level, it will still be in a bear market. It already hit 26K, Anir. Bitcoin already hit 26K, right? So even if it goes up here, it would be in a bear market. So in my opinion, it needs to break the 40K in order for us to see a real bullish or the next bullish leg. That's my opinion. This is not financial advice. Right, so thank you for joining me, guys. I had fun. I always do. And of course, I will be. Jesus Christ, this was a great trade. Well, that's fine. I'm gonna try to go live every single day, at least for half an hour, to trade the US Open. Yeah, why not? Again, if you wanna make money with us, the link is below this video. Only 35 pounds. I don't know why you are not still with us. Right? So thanks again, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.